So just to finish up this video for this week, I also encourage you to visit the rubric that's posted on Moodle to get a sense of how we'll be marking this assignment and specifically what will be required. Remember, again, that this is not about people's opinions or presenting the topic in a way that suggests how it should be lived or how you think it should be lived, but rather you're to pay attention to the nuances and livedness of a topic. Use poetics and nuance to speak to the depth of what makes this phenomena what it is, as we've been practicing with through our portfolio entries up until this point. Also try to avoid cliches. Try not to present the topic in a way that only speaks to its positivity or desirable effects, and create dimension and depth by attending to the tensions, contradictions, juxtapositions, and questions that this topic proposes to you. So just lastly, you can either compose your inquiry into a carefully crafted pedagogical narration using images and text, as it's written on the course assignment outline. Often I find that PowerPoint is a good platform to use if you're working with a narration because you can easily arrange images and text together. Or you can choose to write a visual textual written paper. So this is a more conventional written paper with images included, and this paper may take a narrative approach and should use APA style of referencing. So it could be 1,000 to 1,500 words, excluding the title page and references. So this one thing to note is that either your narration or your written paper will not be an autobiographical piece. So you're not writing about yourself or your own opinion. You'll need to really consider how you will situate yourself in this writing without it being all about you. So imagine you are holding something in your hand and looking at it closely from all angles. So you're intimately attuned to this thing and noticing its dimensions, and complexities, but this moment is not solely about you, though you are holding it and thus you're inevitably present and involved. So with either format you choose, the narration or the paper, you must follow APA guidelines and include a reference list of the work that you're citing if you're citing. And also you will be marked for APA. And there are links on the Moodle website to help you with this if you need some extra support. So lastly, just about the week 8 forum entry. This week, again, there will be no portfolio entry in light of your assignment that's due on Sunday, but rather share a brief 3 or 4 sentence response to this question in the Moodle forum by Saturday at 11:55. And the question is, what does living inquiry require? So think about your processes through your portfolio entries up until this point, and as you are thinking with your living inquiry assignment and the readings and your conversations in the virtual collaboratory, what do you think living inquiry requires? And that's it. I'm really looking forward to reading your inquiry assignments, and yes, have a great week, everybody. We'll talk soon.